Hey guys, welcome back to King Fab and Off-Road. Been a little bit since you saw me. I have had a lot going on. Anyways, goes without saying, today's video is going to be about putting some headlights in the Tacoma. I still haven't decided on a name for this Tacoma because I didn't build it, and it feels wrong to name it because I don't know, it just feels weird. So still waiting on some comments from you guys if you have any input on that. As you can see here, I have the dreaded moisture in my headlight. Today is actually 100 and something degrees. Hasn't rained in a few days and there's still moisture in my headlight. It gets kind of old, it looks bad, and my headlights are horrible. So I did what any reasonable cheap skate off-roader guy is gonna do and bought the priciest headlights off of Amazon. So we're gonna put those in today. I've got some Headlight headlights. You guys know that I rock those in everything that I've got. So yeah, I'm gonna get those out, show them to you. We'll get them installed. My truck's a little different though because I don't have anything below the headlight bezels here. So some of the mounting actually gets cut off and stuff like that. So we'll get them put in and hopefully have better luck than I had with these. I didn't put these in, they came with the truck, but been that way since I got it and I have hated it. So bear with me here. I'm gonna get the box open, show you guys what we're working with. All right guys, here they are. I apologize as always. I've got both of the ACs going, so hopefully you guys can hear me all right. I'm trying to speak up and I'll turn the volume up in the video. But anyways, this is what we got. I do not know the specific brand on these. Like I said, they're the highest dollar, highest quality Amazon specials that you can buy. I did that on purpose though. I do want some nice headlights in this thing because it's important to me to see. I drive it all the time, but I didn't want something that's gonna get beat up, cut on. Like I said, I have to cut the bottoms off of these actually to make them work. I didn't want to get the most pricey headlight I could buy. So hopefully these do well. I went with the more blacked out inner section with still the chrome, so I'm hoping that it gives a good cast out. These aftermarket headlights are known for not being the greatest on that, but instead of doing the all chrome in there bezel, hopefully the black will offset it a little, match the front end, and everything looks nice working together. So let's get this thing hood up, these out, check out the headlights, pull these out, etc, etc. We'll see how they fit.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do.
The previous owner really liked zip ties because there was pretty much only zip ties holding most of this in. On these you have to get the grill out of the way to get to all this. Someone has made a bracket here because the original lower stuff isn't here, which is understandable with how they did the bumper and cut this truck up originally. This was kind of a dune runner, I think, at the beginning of its life, and then transitioned into a rock crawler. Anyways, I'm gonna get the front pieces out of the way, get these out, and then we'll probably put one side in, and then I'll give you like a side-to-side look on it, and then you'll see the difference. So anyways, I'll get it tore apart on the left side here, the old moisture side, and see you in just a second.
Chance to be ruthless.
All right, got it out. That's the handiwork. That's the new mount that someone made, wiring, all that. It's quite interesting. I'm actually gonna have to do some more work than I thought to get these all fitted in here, but we'll make the best of it. So I got this one out, we'll get the other one in. I'll let you know what I did and do a comparison side to side. As you guys know, I am a Headlight fan. You can find these on Amazon for any make and model. Just type in what your vehicle is. They have high and low beam built in. It's all integrated with one plug, so you don't have to do any diodes or resistors or anything. And I have had them in my Dodge for 2 years almost, or whenever I made that video. I've put them in every other vehicle I've got, and I love them so far. I haven't had any failures, and the light output is nice. I mean, very even, and yeah, no complaints. But look into them if you guys are looking for an honest deal on them. They're pretty cheap. I actually bought them for the first time thinking they wouldn't be that great, and I've now become a spokesperson for them. I don't get paid to say that, but I would. I mean, I really like them for a cheaper Amazon headlight. So anyways, this right here, gonna put in there. We're gonna get it stuck in there, and we'll see side to side the light output. This will be with my new light on the left side and my old lights, headlight and light on the right side. We'll see the difference. Well, you just don't really see the difference until it's there. I mean, it looks good, of course. You can see this side, but watch as you transition. Ugh, boring, crusty. And actually, it's funny, the video makes these look better than they are. They're starting to get all faded and whatnot. You can't hardly see through them. So in retrospect, this is the difference between the two. Now let's go throw on the lights. I think I still have everything hooked up. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the difference there. You can see the right side literally is going nowhere, and the output is horrible, and this is much better through and through. Left to right looks way better. Super stoked to have headlights again, getting them put in, and then I'll give you a complete overview of what it looks like once I get it all installed. There it is, guys. Pretty much a night and day difference with these headlights. It's hard to tell on camera. I know this isn't very exciting to you guys, but it is to me. This is literally, I don't know what kind of junk headlights these were, but they have to be from like the 1800s, because these are middle of the road lights, and these are probably 4 times brighter, maybe 6 times brighter. The output on them, as you can tell, is nice and even. They're level with each other, so that means these lights are made very similar, so that's pretty cool. But anyways, this is an exciting little addition to this Tacoma for me, because now I can drive it at night and not have to have my brights on and my light bars just to see what's going on. So anyways, thanks for catching up on this episode, guys. Short, sweet, something fun, something that changes the look of it. Oh, I guess while I'm here, let me shut them off so you can see what they look like shut off. I think they look a lot better. You guys tell me what you think, but just aesthetically a lot better, matches the truck better. I think it makes it look a lot cleaner. But anyways, as I was saying, thanks for keeping up with me on this episode. Thanks for holding out on the transfer case stuff I keep promising you guys is gonna show up. I know a few of you guys have messaged me, emailed me about all that coming up, and I still have not got my stuff shipped from Northwest Fab. I'm starting to get a little impatient. It sucks because I'm excited about it, want to get it done. Aside from that, I've been busy and stuff anyways, so it's not a huge deal. But once we get that, it's going to be a cool couple videos for you guys. And with all that being said, guys, I want to thank you again for liking everything, subscribing, keeping up with me on the channel. I know that some of these videos are slow. I have some stuff promised to you, but it's all in good time. I do appreciate you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.